Hi, Cal, BHP UK, and we're absolutely delighted to announce that we have actually finished the exhaust project on the Kawasaki ZX-10R. This is obviously for the models 2021 onwards. It is a full Decat and end can replacement. The stock cat and the end can weigh approximately 7.7 kilograms, and the new BHP UK carbon end can and stainless steel link pipe comes in at 1.9 kilograms, so saving of about 75% on your weight alone. On top of that, there's a small weight saving on the exhaust valve servo, which can be removed and be programmed out by our ECU Flasher. The weight savings are only half the story because the cat on these bikes is really restrictive, and we've gone up from 182 brake horsepower at the back wheel on the stock bike to 195. But that's not the entire story, because we've also gone up from 109 newton meters to 170 newton meters of torque at the back wheel. The bike now revs so much faster, it performs so much better. We've had it on the dyno, we've had it out road testing. We really are delighted with what we've been able to do with this bike. The can is available either on its own or as a special package offer with our ECU Flasher, which allows you to program the bike back to standard and comes with a bespoke map for our end can. Our exhaust systems are designed to work hand in hand with our ECU Flash that really does liberate all the power that these bikes are capable of making, gets rid of all the restrictions that the factory have put in. And of course, we've spent hundreds of hours getting both the design of the exhaust system and the ECU Flash to work perfectly hand in hand. The design, although it looks very simple, we did actually have a couple of prototypes, if you've been following the series, that we did try. This is the one that works the best, and we're absolutely happy with what we've been able to get with it. Please do hit the like, subscribe and the bell icons. It really does help us out, and it keeps you notified of any new Kawasaki content that we bring to the channel, as well as any other projects that we've got in the pipeline.